in a cadet have a stamp on them from this school that marks them as different.
How do you change the world one good person at a time, one good leader at a time?
The principles and the values of life is what you learn here, and it stays with you forever.
Army and Navy Academy is a home away from home. Army and Navy Academy is it. We make leaders.
This school is a calling. There's so much that it offers. And it's not a bad gig for boys to live on the Pacific Ocean in Carlsbad, California. It's almost a fairy tale.
I like to call this place the Wizard of Oz, the City of Oz. But this school is not a boot camp. That's not what we're about. I tell parents 2 times they would see their child, their cadet, cry. First day we drop them off, and the last day when they graduate. And it's the truth.
My first day walking in here, I saw kids sweeping the sidewalk outside, doing laps, and I was like, I don't know if this is for me.
I walked in, they shaved my head, you know, hand over my civilian clothes. It was pretty intense.
When I first told my friends, they were like, oh, you're just gonna have to be doing push-ups all day, being yelled at like boot camp. But it's not really like that.
As soon as I saw the beach with the campus, it's just so beautiful. And the friends, what this does for kids, it clicked. I realized that this was the place. This is my home.
When we all come together as a whole core, it's all 300 of us being friends together because everyone knows everyone. So it's just something that any other high school just won't happen.
Feels like big brotherhood.
The brotherhood?
The brotherhood.
Brotherhood. Brotherhood.
The brotherhood.
We are definitely brothers.
It's changed me in so many ways that it's hard to describe to someone who hasn't gone through it.
There are very few places in the world that design their curriculum, their instruction, their assessment around what we know to be the science of how adolescent boys learn.
Public schools in particular try to structure their boys into a framework that a lot of boys just don't fit well in it.
Boys are behind. Grades are behind, test scores behind. The reason is we have an accumulation of decades of a system basically setting boys up to fail.
When boys are falling behind across the board, it doesn't need to be that way. There is a way to really see them thrive as academics, scholars, as athletes. But if they're fighting against the environment that they're in, they can't do that. Army and Navy Academy clears that runway for them significantly.
They're able to produce in the classroom, in many cases, ways they haven't before, because the best ways for boys in particular to learn is through mentorship. We talk about responsibility and accountability and gratitude, courage, commitment. Boys in particular need to hear these things, and they need to see them through 3-dimensional examples.
Yeah, they get their ABCs, 1, 2, 3s in the classroom, but with boys, they learn it outside of the classroom. From sun up to sundown, it's a constant mentorship, teaching them, counseling them on the stuff where he thinks he doesn't need, but he needs it.
The results speak for themselves. The boys go on to be leaders, entrepreneurs, doctors, but most importantly, they go on to be good humans.
I want you to look around this building. Each and every single individual you see in those photos have been in your shoes. Your journey starts today. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be tough, but you are now part of the Army and Navy Academy. You are part of a brotherhood. One thing what you are not gonna do, you are not gonna quit, and you're not gonna give up. You understand? Yes, we don't quit and we don't give up. You gotta put the work in. You gotta make the sacrifice. Those hard days, you gotta remember, why am I here? Your why is gonna make you the better person of who you are.
When you see some of the boys going, I can't do it, you'll see one of their buddies in their company running alongside and saying, yes, you can. And they start to realize, oh yeah, yeah, I can totally do this. We are gonna let you fall sometimes, but we will be there to catch you and help you get back up.
I am forever indebted to this school for what it did for my sons. It took them from where they were at to where they could be all the way.
These are young men that have dreams. These are young men that have ambitions. What you learn here is that you can fulfill those ambitions.
There's so many opportunities to strive to be better, to be a better version of yourself, and to help your fellow brothers around you.
Every boy does deserve a path forward, and every boy doesn't have a path forward if we don't help him.
Seeing just one boy at a time, how we can make that difference, how we can help them find themselves. It's just a special place to be.